Hi, I'm Kathy Zip, and I'm a writer and producer here at Flex Media. Welcome to another Flex Talks, in which we help give you some tips to creating great content that's going to help you grow your business. So whether you think that they make posts look messy, or you love them and use them unnecessarily in real life, hashtags are an important part of sharing your content. So today I'll share 3 things that you should know about hashtags. First of all, understand why to use hashtags at all. Hashtags can help categorize your posts on social media so that others can find them. For example, if I search the hashtag ThisIsCLE, I can see all the posts that people have also tagged with content around Cleveland. On some social media platforms like Instagram, people can actually subscribe to a hashtag and they get a feed of posts relevant to that category that applies to them. Next, see what hashtags people in your industry or niche are already using. For example, Destination Cleveland, which is the Cleveland Visitor Center, actually promotes its hashtag in its social profiles and on its website. So if I'm trying to share something having to do with something going on in Cleveland, I may use the hashtag ThisIsCLE. Also, Twitter and Instagram will actually suggest hashtags for you if you start typing keywords. If you're still not sure which hashtags to use, there are plenty of great tools to help, such as RightTag. Finally, how many hashtags should you use? Experts disagree on this one, but as you're starting out, just try incorporating at least 1 or 2 in each post. On Twitter, you're obviously limited on characters, so using 1 or 2 max is fine. Instagram is definitely a hot spot for hashtags. It's a world where 10 or more is okay. So start experimenting with those hashtags. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our Flexology e-news for more great tips for creating content to help grow your business.